In 2 miles, take exit 13.
What's good, YouTube fam? KP here, on my way to get my daughter. We're gonna go to a movie tonight. I'm having to drive about 3 hours, go get her. Her mom's car's in the shop, so, but it's worth it, man. I need some time with my daughter. She's 13, and neither one of us is getting any younger, so I need some time with her. We got a really, really good relationship. I just gotta get over, as you can see. Holy shit. It's been busy, man. I done caught rush hour, but
continue on I-85 north.
I had a doctor's appointment, so I had to hit that up. But yeah, on my way to get her. Part of my journey is, of course, my teenage daughter. We're gonna go.
Morning brought new energy and excitement. We picked out a scary movie, Until Dawn, the favorite genre, which always makes me laugh.
Say hey.
These small
Hey,
rituals,
what's up?
sharing what we love,
We're watching Until
are the
Dawn
moments I
together.
cherish most.
You already
The real
know.
adventure was yet to come. The trip to
Excuse
Hobby
me.
Lobby turned into a treasure hunt. This time,
daughter's up
she didn't
live.
hold back. Her eyes
Yeah,
sparkled
yeah.
as she picked out canvases, paints, charcoal, markers, pencils, even a little mannequin for drawing pictures.
Good. And the
She'd
holder.
been saving her own money.
She
I
loves
was
Hobby
more
Lobby.
than happy to help with the rest.
How do you feel about Hobby Lobby?
Watching her light
Very
up,
nice.
seeing her pride in choosing her own supplies, was a proud dad moment.
Afterwards, we
At
treated
McDonald's with
ourselves
my
to
daughter.
McDonald's and ice cream.
We're chilling.
And
About to go watch a
simple
movie.
pleasures.
Curbside 3, babe.
She dove into
Yo,
new
what's
art
up?
supplies, creating
There's
a piece that
Adalia,
left me
Ada,
in
my
awe
daughter.
and
What's up?
content.
Hey.
Moments like this remind me why I grind
Took my
so
daughter to
hard.
Hobby Lobby
Not
today.
just for a building, but for a life
My
where she
daughter
can chase her
doing-
dreams.
When the weekend ended, I made the long drive back, said our goodbyes, and returned to the hustle. Monday meant work and then donating plasma. Every dollar going straight into the down payment fund. It's not glamorous, but every sacrifice is a brushstroke on the canvas of our future. This journey is for her, for us, and I'm grateful for every moment that brings us closer to our dreams.